Welcome to my CSE tutorial. In this video, we'll see two exercises, exercise 2A and 2B from the chapter number 1, Review of Python. First, we'll see exercise 2A. The question is, write for statement to print the following series. The series given is 10, 20, 30 till 300. Before going into the coding of this question, we'll first analyze the series. In this case, it's a very simple one. We have to find out three important things. The initial value, that is 10, the final value, that is 300, and the third most important thing is in what pattern the series increases or decreases. In this case, it's very obvious that it is increasing by 10. The question is, we have to display this series with for statement. So here we write the for statement for I in range of, the initial value is 10, so we give you a 10. And the third parameter is by what value the pattern is increasing. So that is 10 again here, so we put 10 here. Now what will be the second parameter? In a for loop, it will execute till I less than second parameter is true. Once I less than the second parameter becomes false, the loop will be exited. So we need to see that the final value to be displayed is 300. So say I equal to 300 is reached. Once I equal to 300 is displayed, I will be incremented by 10 and therefore it becomes I equal to 310. Now we have to exit the loop. Therefore, we have to make this condition false. So here I can give any value greater than 300 and I give 301 and therefore the condition becomes false and the loop will get exited. Let's see the output. So here we go. We get 10, 20, 30, 40 till 300. So this is the code for exercise 2A. Now we'll go to exercise 2B. The question is, write for statement to print the following series. The series is 105, 98, 91 till 7. So in this case, the initial value is 105. We have to display till 7. And the pattern we see that it is decremented by 7. So here the initial value is 105. It is decremented by 7. So therefore we have minus 7. And the loop will get exited when the condition second I greater than second parameter becomes false. So therefore I give here 1. And so we see the pattern 105, 198, 91 till 7. So this is the code for exercise 2B. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on my CSE tutorial.